Hello, Simon.
Hello, Sweta.
Yeah. So, are you ready
Yes,
for the
Sweta, I am
interview?
ready.
Yeah. Okay. What's the topic
Yes,
name?
today's my topic is substitutional variables, Sweta. Can I show my presentation?
Yeah. Please open.
Okay, this is my PPT. Can I continue it?
Yeah. Please walk me through each and every point. Okay.
Okay, Sweta, thank you. Okay, today's my topic is substitutional variable. Today I am going to say where we will see how to use the substitutional variables in the following artifacts. Those are data forms, RTPs, business rules, and smart views. Now we will walk through one by one. The first one is the creation of substitutional variable. Here asking, can you show me how to create a substitutional variable in the following cases? Okay, he is asking under use case 1. Consider a user runs consolidation monthly. For example, a user want to update every month. Consider June for this case. Okay. If you go into application, under tools we have variables. Under variable we have substitutional variable. At right side top we see the 3 columns. One is plus button, another one is delete, another one is if you want to add any substitutional variable, click on add. Currently I'm taking sub month. This is my name of the substitutional variable, and its value is July. So its value is June. Sorry. And one more thing, it is a case sensitive thing. Whatever the values you are giving here, same values you can give in the application also. Then only it will be taken, or else it will throw an error. It will saved successfully. And in case 2 also same, but it is asking for a year. Here asking that FY20 as in this case. So in the similar format I'm using for year. Sub year and yeah, and its value is FY20. Yeah, okay, done. It is saved. Yeah, this is regarding creation of application variable. If you want to delete any substitution variable, you can delete here. And coming to next slide. This slide regarding for data forms. Here also they are asking to use cases. One is use account dimension in the rows and substitutional variables are of year and period dimension in column. Choose generation 2 members of every other dimension. Preview date from with this use case. Okay. If you go to application and under create and manage we have forms. For the time being I already created an application. Yeah, this is a user variable. It says that under account we have okay. Delete a row. Okay, it is not good. I'm taking another one. Yeah, substitution variable. Under layout I see I'm taking the total asset descendants. It is a generation 2 member, and in column I'm taking year and period. So as per our requirement we are taking the substitution variables in the column. Under variables we have substitution variables. Let me take it one. Yeah. Click on OK. If you see the here ampersand symbol represents the substitutional variable, whether it is substitutional or user defined. Similarly for period. Yeah, okay. Click on save and go to preview. We can see the variables. Yeah, see here, these two are the values of the substitutional variables which we mentioned there. And coming to second case, and in second case they are asking hard code year and period dimensions in another column along with use case 1. We explain the differences between the hard code members and the substitutional variables. Substitutional variable in the values. Okay. Similarly, I'm taking one more column here. Add a column. Here I'm taking manual values. Example, I'm taking FI19. Remove the substitution. And similarly for period. Here I'm taking January as my period. Click on save and go to preview. We see the values. Yeah, if you see here, FI20 and June are the substitutional variables, and FI18 and January are the hard-coded variables. The differences between those two are, if you want to change these values in hard-coded, we are going to edit and give the values and click on OK. Then we're going to save. Whereas in substitutional variable, just we can change here. Instead of John, I'm taking July and save it. Then I go to preview of a form. Yeah, enter preview, you can see the value which we modified there. See. See here, this is the modified value. Yeah, okay, done. Coming to the next slide. Yeah, here it is regarding RTPs. RTP means runtime prompt values. Can we pass substitutional variables as a value in the runtime prompt? Yes, we can pass it. If yes, we can prompt the value be limited only to the value assigned to the substitutional variable. Yeah, okay. Okay, under create and manage we have rules. Under rules we have variable designer. There we can see the RTP values. Click on actions and go to variable design. You drag here. There are two cases of variables we can create. One is for global level, another one is for application level. If you take global level, it is useful to every application. Click on add. Yeah, if you see here RTP text, for time being I already created an application, created variables. Yeah, this is regarding for period, and this is regarding for year. This is the substitutional variable which I created there. And if you give a value RTP text, this text will reflect in the rules to select the drop down. And default value, it is the mandatory thing. If you miss the default value, it is, when you're going to deploy the RTP value, it will throw it. And second case is use prompt. How can you select only the prompt value defaulted to a value assigned to the value? Yeah, it is also I covered. And coming to the next slide. Using substitutional variables in the business rules. Okay. So now it is asking for business rules. It is asking that can you show me how to pass a substitutional variables in a business rule? Okay. And yeah, similarly for business rules, if you go to system view, there we have rules. This is our application name. and going to console. See here, this is the rules which I create, which we have in the application. The rules which we see here, which start with FCC underscore, those are the predefined. Which is not with FCC underscore, they are created by us. For example, I am double click on it, it will open. Yeah, this is the prompt we can see here. In the prompt, they are asking that which one of the following is recommended. One is a hard-coded June. Okay, using the substitution variable. Another one is RTP. Okay, in forms, instead of John, I'm taking June. Yeah, okay, this is the hard-coded one. Similarly, we can give here, and these two are the substitution variables where we created there, and this is the RTP period which is created in the variable designer. This is the one I created there. Okay, and open. Yeah, if you are, you can save here and going to validation. This is the validate and deploy. And one more main point here. Yeah, first complete this. In these three, I prefer RTP. Yeah. Here asking that which one is recommended. I'm recommended RTP. Why? Because I am say here. I will explain here. For example, if you change RTP period as RTP entity underscore why? Because I'm taking RTP entity means, see here, if I am taking the RTP entity without any value, see here I don't give any values, so that's why I'm taking RTP entity. When I'm going to deploy, validate and deploy, it's asking which value do you want to validate, or to meet that limit, which value do you need. So this is the one of the main advantage using the RTP. So I am recommended RTP. Okay. And we see the rule. We see that these rules in application also. In application, under the rules, we have, yeah, this is the value. If you see, this is the enter value. This value is there at we enter the text at the RTP. So this is also one of the advantage. We can change as per our requirement. So if you run the rules, you can launch it. Then is going for next slide. It is regarding a smart view. It is asking that can you show me how to insert substitutional variables in a report created using ad hoc analysis? Okay, in application. For example, I am taking from scratch. I'm going to shared connections, give the credentials. These credentials provided by the client. Yeah, and yeah, after giving the credentials, go to the form which is there in EPM Cloud. Under EPM Cloud, we have our application. Under application library, we have the value. Now go to Adhoc Analysis. Yeah, this is the value, so we use it in our form. Now I'm using substitutional variables. So here. And for period, I'm using sub month. click enter and just refresh it. This is the substitutional values. And in use case, the present report by the changing the substitutional variables using the value from June to Jan for period and dimension FY22, FY21. Okay. In variables, I am changing these two values. Substitutional variables. Yeah. Okay. It is asking its value going to Jan and its value B21. I am saving here. Yeah, I'm going to data form, smart form, Amazon. So, oh, 1 second. Before giving these values, once we have to refresh the application. Okay. So here and Amazon some month. Click on enter and refresh. Yeah, this is the modified values. Yeah, in this presentation, I will concluded to show us the using of substitutional variables in the following artifacts. Those are data forms, runtime prompts, business rules, and smart views. And this is about application. Sweta, over to you. Hello, Sweta, are you there?
Yeah, Simon. Simon, can you hear me?
Yes, Sweta. Yes, Sweta, I'm hearing.